Brightspace, you may notice this notification bell at the top of your screen. This will typically inform you of things such as updated content, grades being released, due dates, and more. But you might be wondering, can I just receive some of this information in an email? And the good news is, you can. And in this video, we'll be demonstrating how. To do so, you'll click your name at the top right of the screen, and then choose Notifications. Here you can choose what to receive instant notifications on by checking off the email box for it. For example, if I wanted to receive a notification to remind me that an assignment is due 2 days away, I can select that email notification box so I'll receive that email if the criteria is met. By default, all students should receive email updates if a new announcement was made, or if an announcement was updated. We do not recommend turning these features off so that you do not miss important information provided by your instructors. Another option includes being provided a summary of activity via email for each of your courses. If you would like this to be emailed to you, you can select to either be notified daily or weekly. In addition, under the Customize Notifications field, you can choose whether or not to include grade values in your notifications from grades, and also allow for future courses to send you notifications. Finally, if you wish to exclude some of your courses from your notifications, you can do so in the Exclude Some Courses area. By selecting Manage My Course Exclusions, you will see the courses that you are enrolled in. If you do not want to receive notifications for a particular course, select the X next to it. If you wish to undo that exclusion, you can select the circle arrow to resume notifications for that course. Please keep in mind that you cannot exclude a particular type of notification for a single course. By excluding a course, you are not going to receive any notification for it, so please be careful if you use this feature. Once you are finished with your settings, be sure to hit Save to finalize all of your changes. Thank you for watching. For more Brightspace related content, please subscribe to our channel.